Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to uninstall Instagram from my PC. We start by going to our Start search engine to find the option to add or remove programs. After that, in the list, we will look for the Instagram application that we want to remove. Now we click on the More Options icon and click on Uninstall. Finally, we confirm the uninstall action and we will see how the application is removed from the computer. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.